Many people asking us if we heard about the brand new law, what is in Indonesia now. Yes, we heard.
So that's the law basically, but now we are in Canggu, Batu Bolong Canggu. So yeah, behind me, beautiful sunset.
Actually, the sky behind the sunset. And the life in Changu in Bali is actually the same like it was yesterday or the week ago. Currently, there is still a lot of people watching the surfers because there are some surfers in the ocean, and the beautiful sky just after the sunset. It's actually very, very beautiful. So this is the parking of Eco Beach. Well, at the front is the Old Man. We're gonna go there because so much interesting things is going on today. And also some beach parties. So if you're looking for parties and you don't want to go to beach club or the bar, you can just go to the beach and there is live band event. As you can see, this is the place for the surfers, some schools and the Old Man at the front. We're gonna go there because so much is going on. And also so many people still on the parking area. And this is basically the vibe of Changu here just after the sunset. People enjoying their drinks. It's the high tide, there is the live band, some girls sitting and enjoying, some people going home after sunset. Later at night I heard the people dancing here, actually exactly here listening to the band, but today it's like a, acoustic band. Usually there is like a DJ or something like that. And well, beautiful, beautiful sky today. So it's actually about half hour the sunset, after the sunset. And still quite a lot of people actually enjoying the high tide, so the beach is smaller obviously. This is the bars and the band today. This Sands bar is also popular. I want to make a little shot for you of the ocean with these beautiful lights. A little bit of the sound of the waves. That's for you guys. Enjoy please. Now we are in the area of the bars, which is like kind of beach bars. Where you can enjoy your dinner or lunch or watching the sunset. If you come here, we came late today a little bit, but still many people enjoying their time. Also looking for the place where we could have some pizza maybe. This guy working hard till night still. He should just chill. Also local boys enjoying their drinks and guitar here. Also you can rent the surfboard and all of this stuff, just pretty actually cozy vibes are here in Changu, if you know where to look, because they are not only beach clubs here. And here are bars, actually bigger ones. As you can see, actually more and more people sitting, and the ocean is obviously more far, which is no problem. Also I see so many local people here, not only tourists, not only digital nomads. Okay, there are some digital nomads. These people working very hard. You see these people behind me, guys. This is serious stuff. It's living in Bali is not easy, and I know something because I'm living here for many years. And if you see people like this one behind me at night at 7 or 8 o'clock, and they still working on the laptops, they really deserve a little bit of the respect. Not saying as they are like bad words about digital nomads, but they really deserve the respect. It's harder than it looks like, seriously. Like, and being a YouTuber, like I'm doing videos every single day, is probably even harder than their job. Now we are living in 2022, almost in 2023 already, and it's a little bit different than some people may think. Long time ago, if you're not doing hard job like being a truck driver or bus driver or working in the office, or I don't know, being a seller in the shop, the kind of people like that were considered as they are not working. But because of, especially after pandemic times, many people in many industries start doing things like this. And doesn't mean as they have to be criticized for that or saying bad things. You understand? Because one day you might be like that. And if you don't want to eat in the bars, you can eat always on the street, like the Changu good bakso, and the people enjoying. Why not? And this is the parking area of Pantai Batu Bolong, exactly in Changu. And now we are heading to Old Man. There are big parties going on now. We just arrived and something is going on. They have a beer pong. I don't know if it's proper name, but I think it's the beer pong. It's not like a ping pong show in the Patong, but this is beer pong. Seems like they have a prizes and everything. So cool, and quite a lot of people actually here today enjoying their time. Seems like a good fun. They're just gonna start a new game, and seems like it's the good crack. Check this out. This is definitely beer pong. It's been a while when I was still at last time, but seems like a lot of fun. And you see the people like tourists and expats and the local people, they're enjoying their time living together in the harmony in Changu. Everybody are happy, seems like. Sounds and looks like a good crack, especially if you like beer. Highly recommended to come. I think they're doing this every week now, so you should enjoy it. And check this out, quite a lot of people are everywhere around. Ah! And this is how the game look like. That's exactly what they have to do, what they are doing now. He just also said as the winners actually they have to sign up and they are playing for the prizes, so you can win up to 10 million rupiah actually here, which sounds very cool indeed. So cool. But I don't know, they have to be more focused or that's how they are doing. Seems like they're chilling but having good crack, that's for sure. Lance won the first round. The guy looks very proud of himself. I'm not sure if he's gonna get the main prize or something, but seems like it's good crack. The last people left. This is like last round. 1 minute only left. So much emotions. So much is going on. Oh, let's see. This is actually pretty entertaining. Oh, this guy's won. So cool. Seems like a really good crowd. Oh, the girls won. So good. Congratulations to everybody. Next time I will try to play TheMonkeys versus Changu. Why not? Let's go. They also have a bar where it's a little bit quieter. You can also have a coffee just in case if you're not drinking. But over there is also the place where they're playing, and of course the DJ. You can still enjoy the DJ and just the beers. You don't need to play obviously, but yeah, if you would like to play, why not? It's very nice. But also you can enjoy just the vibe, lunch, music with your friends, with your besties, having a picture, just chilling, and don't worry about anything.
So as you see that before in the old man, so in Legian, Kuta Legian, you will find so many sport bars, you know, watching nowadays football. But here in Changu, they have a beer pong. So whenever you play, you know, like a beer pong, you will get a free drinks. And also I heard that if you got the first winner, you will get a 10 million. No wonder.
That's much better than the bars in Legian.